Alright, so I'm going to be installing this today. The Terabyte. It's the same one as this, but the one that's installed already is like 500 gigabytes. Right there. The second one's going to be installed right there where that cover is at. Then later on I'll be getting more RAM. Same company. Alright, first I'm gonna just use this. Take that screw out. That's the GPU. I'm gonna need a smaller one. Alright, I'm gonna see if this works. Alright, how I got it off? I use this instead of this tool that I got so it could fit in there. I have to unplug my GPU. This is a plug to it right from the battery, not that one. I believe it was this one maybe. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take this out of the box and put it in. This is what it look like. So I guess it goes in like this. Possibly. Okay. Gotta reach behind here. So it just slides in into this unit. And you get the screw, put it right back in. The screw is very small too. Just did it like this. Everybody installed. I've installed right there. This is the cover that was on it. It's a SSD 2. Next thing for inside, I'm gonna get 2 more RAM sticks or cards to boost my RAM. Right now it's currently 8 gigabytes. I want at least 16 more just to make it perform better. Already got that one up there and this one. Now I gotta plug my GPU back in, figure out which one it is. I'll start it up. Okay, so once you have it installed, you gotta go to your files. Then I just right clicked and show more options. I went to, it should show manage. Maybe not, click this. For this PC, more options, manage. Then it'll show you this management is where you want to be at. This is the new one right here, where it says unallocated or allocated. Then you just want to right click. New simple volume. Then run this whole thing. Then you want to just finish it. Now it's there and you can use it now. You don't need this no more. Now it shows it over here.